that help them to hold the branches tightly. Their feet have four toes. Their feet have four toes. In some birds, like sparrow, three toes are in front and one at the back. A woodpecker's foot has four claws, two facing forward and two facing backward. Birds that swim in water have webbed feet. The three front toes are joined by the skin. Ducks and swan have this kind of feet. Birds of prey, like eagle and owl, have strong feet and hooked calls as they can hold the animals on which they feed pretty tightly. Birds of prey are also called predatory birds or raptors. For example, vulture, kite, eagle, and hawk. Nest of birds. Birds build their nests to lay eggs and protect their chicks from any danger. They build their nests or branches of trees, holes in trees, old buildings, and cracks in walls. They use leaves, sticks, grasses, pieces of cloth, and cotton to build their nest. Let us study about the nest built by few birds. Birds such as sparrow and pigeon build their nest using sticks, pieces of cloths, and grasses on the trees and even inside our homes. Birds such as parrot and woodpecker live inside tree trunks by making holes in the trees using their strong beaks. Eagle builds its nest with twigs and sticks at heights on a tree. An eagle has the brightest or biggest nest among all the birds. Weaver birds is known for its nest. It makes a beautiful nest. Weaver birds use grass and leaves to weave a nest around the branches of trees. Tailor bird is small bird. It gets its name from the way it builds the nest. The bird sweeps the end of a leaf with plant fiber and builds a nest inside it. Cuckoo is the only bird that does not make its own nest. It mostly lays its eggs in the crow's nest. Importance of birds. Birds play a very important role for living organisms and environment. They protect the crops by eating away the harmful insects that attack the crops. Birds eat the fruits and help in the spreading of seeds. The dropping of birds improve the fertility of soil. Birds are facing a lot of danger due to cutting of trees, hunting, etc. Thus, our government has set up several sanctuaries to protect the birds. Bird Sanctuary. Several bird sanctuaries have been established to protect the natural habits of birds. Let us study about some of them. National Park is a man-made sanctuary located in Bharatpur, Rajasthan. Many migratory birds come here during winter season. The famous Siberian crane visits this sanctuary. In polar regions, animals have to face extreme winter. Since it is difficult to survive in such extreme climate, some birds live in their regions move to warmer regions. They return to their native place once the condition was favorable again. This is known as migration. Siberian cranes migrate to India from Russia covering a distance of 6,450 kilometers. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuaries is the oldest bird sanctuary in India. It is located in the state of Tamil Nadu. This sanctuary has many lakes. Several birds come to this sanctuary during migratory season. Some of the birds visiting the sanctuaries are herons, storks, spoonbills, terns, and pelicans. The local people of Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary found that the droppings of birds made the soil of the area fertile and increased the productivity of soil.